Hi everyone. Today we are learning how to politely interrupt someone in English. Interrupting can be tricky. It's important to be respectful while ensuring your point is heard. I'll share phrases for casual, formal, and urgent situations along with tips for using them effectively. Let's get started. Polite phrases. These are perfect for most situations where you want to sound courteous. Excuse me, may I say something? Adding excuse me makes the request sound polite and less abrupt. Sorry to interrupt, but I have a quick point. Apologizing softens the interruption, especially in ongoing discussions. May I add something here? Using may I makes the request sound formal and respectful. These phrases show consideration and ensure you don't come across as rude. In formal settings, use these in meetings, presentations, or professional settings. If I may add to that, this phrase seamlessly integrates your point into the conversation. I apologize for the interruption, but I would like to share an idea. Adding an apology shows respect for the ongoing discussion. Could I briefly interject to clarify something? Using words like briefly emphasizes that your interruption will be quick. These phrases maintain professionalism and are ideal for workplace environments. In casual conversations, for informal chats with friends and family. Hold on just a second. This is quick, informal, and friendly, perfect for casual talks. Hey, can I jump in here for a moment? Using jump in keeps the tone light and conversational. Wait, let me add something really quick. Saying really quick reassures the listener that you won't take long. These phrases work well when you're chatting with people you know well. When you're in a hurry, sometimes urgency requires a faster approach. I need to say this quickly, sorry. Acknowledging urgency makes the interruption understandable. This is urgent. Can I speak? Clearly stating urgency emphasizes the importance of your point. I have to interrupt for a moment. It's important. It's important helps justify the interruption. These phrases are direct but polite, helping you convey urgency without being rude. Firm and direct examples. When you absolutely need to make your point heard. I need to interrupt you for a moment. Clear and direct. This phrase shows assertiveness. Can you stop for a second so I can speak? This is firm and ensures the listener pauses to let you talk. Let me speak. I have something important to say. This is direct and works well when someone is dominating the conversation. Use these phrases sparingly and only when necessary, as they can come across as assertive. Tips for interrupting politely. waiting for a pause. Look for a natural break in the conversation to make your request less abrupt. Use a calm tone. Even in urgent situations, avoid shouting or sounding aggressive. Acknowledge the interruption. Phrases like "sorry to interrupt" or "I apologize" show you respect the other person's time. Be brief. When you interrupt, keep your point short to minimize the disruption. Interrupting someone politely is all about balancing respect and assertiveness. Practice these phrases and you will handle any situation with confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more practical English lessons. See you in the next video.